Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining how to give access to Facebook business account. So let's begin the process. And this is the homepage of my business account. And from here, how can we give access? Simply tap on these three lines. And from here, tap on this option business setting. If this option is not available here, then you can see the option here. Business setting, tap on this one. And now the pages is redirect to my business setting. And from here, you will see the option invite people. Simply tap on this one. And here you need to write the email address of the person which you want to invite to your Facebook business account. For an example, I am writing. After writing, tap on this option next. And here's the next option. Partial access or full control. It's up to you what you want to give. But for me, I will give full control of my business accounts. That's why I am tapping on this icon and tap on the option, Manage, and tap on this option, Next. Now from here, tap on this option, Add Accounts, and here is the option, Manage, Add Account. From here you have to select the assets because I have only one account, so that's why it's showing here. But if you have multiple, then all of your accounts will be shown here. So I am selecting this one. And after selecting this, tap on the option Invite. So as you see, the invitation has been sent to that person. And once that person will accept the invitation, he will be the new manager of your account. So it was a basic way by which you can give access to your business manager account. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.